This program contains graphic images that may be disturbing to younger and more sensitive viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
My people rap about a swag and a grind. Why don't you rap about a thought that you have in your mind? Like how those cops on the streets causing tribal divide. That type of nonsense makes me want to roll up a blunt. It makes me nauseous how the government really don't give a shit. Freedom of speech, freedom to preach. You cause desolation, then you call that shit peace. Well, I'll be damned. I guess some animals is just more equal, more political. The wealth of a nation belonging to an individual. My eyes hurt of the things that I see. And I'll be quoted as the first to say fuck BCC. You increase fixed charge, but supply is decreasing. Plain economics, blue blood fat cats taking all the profit. You see, I'm very patriotic, but we need racial diversity. Multi-ethnic approach to survive any adversity. I'm not saying don't get back farms, don't get me wrong. But I'm also saying don't raise arms, you know where we came from. This nation didn't come easy from war, we was born. Real lives are love, that's just Mungosi shit of poems. We know it, we born free, but our minds won't free. We want a piece of the pie, so acknowledge it. Fake promises for funds for youth empowerment. It ain't a problem then. We sell fuel in the black market and sell liquor at a crib, good businessman with no capital. Real Zim nigga, traits of a winner. Black, ebony, proud to be a nigga. I will remain quiet like the face on the picture. The prints on the sand shall remain forever. Scotty J, Black Nation.